It has been hot and humid every day in New York City for what feels like forever, with daily thunderstorm chances, but a glorious cold front is coming later this week, and it'll bring refreshing fall-like weather to the area. Hi guys, I'm John with New York Metro. Weather today is Monday, September 11th, and you are looking at the problem that has plagued our area with moisture, humidity, unsettled weather, and everything else you could imagine over the last several days. This is precipitable water, so this is the amount of moisture that is actually in the atmosphere. And this red and orange area tells us it's way above normal across all of the Northeast United States. A trough in this region and a ridge in this region had just taken Caribbean Atlantic moisture and just let it sit in the Northeast United States for the last several days. And this will continue through today. You'll watch it move off to the north and east. It'll regenerate a little bit Tuesday into Wednesday. And then look at that air mass that's lingering behind it. It comes flying into our area Wednesday night into Thursday. And not only that, it'll help deflect Lee away from our area this weekend. You can see Lee making a track off to the north and east closer to New England. We're not totally out of the woods from impacts on Lee, but the air mass that comes in is just going to be so much better. We use the dew points very often to talk about the air mass and what it feels like, right? We talk about this all the time. Dew points in the upper 60s, lower to mid 70s, they've been common in our area for the last several days, and that's why it feels really sticky and unsettled and gross when you walk outside. That's going to continue today, it'll continue Tuesday, and it'll continue for the first half of Wednesday. But Wednesday night, here comes our front dropping from the left of your screen, comes down from Canada into the Northeast and brings much nicer air into the area Thursday, and then Friday and even into the weekend. It looks gorgeous out there compared to what we have been experiencing over the last couple days. We will have some showers and storms to watch for. This afternoon, we're expecting some to develop. We're expecting some additional ones on Tuesday. And then Wednesday morning and afternoon, a couple rounds of showers and storms as that front blows through with that nicer weather behind it. We'll also have to watch Lee, because even though the front comes off the coast here, it'll generally try to keep Lee away, but Lee will try to hook back close to New England at some times, and that could lead to clouds and maybe even a couple of showers making their way back into Long Island, southern New England, and perhaps New York City late Friday into Saturday. It doesn't look like a direct hit by any means, but that doesn't mean we're out of the reach of the system, even from coastal impacts on the beaches and area waters, and as well as in regards to clouds and showers. So we'll have to keep an eye on this. Late Friday into Saturday looks like the current time frame, and then the system sort of unwinds in these cooler waters up here and ends up moving away by Sunday. So again, the real transition happens this weekend, folks. That's when this frontal boundary comes through. We watch Lee pass off to our east. It'll likely miss us for the most part, and then that glorious weather will continue into the latter half of the weekend. Finally, some relief from that really, really unsettled weather we've been dealing with day after day, so some light at the end of the tunnel. We'll have a lot more for you as we go through the week and we track this fall air mass coming our way, and also make sure that Lee passes offshore. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back soon.